Welcome, Sister Sadesh. As well, all content. Welcome, sister. Welcome. And welcome, my brother. Welcome, my brother. The one and only Eddie Jackie Chan Bongo from Indonesia. Welcome, brother. Welcome.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head.
Welcome, my member, my son. DSD Roxer. Welcome. First level. Welcome to the first level. Welcome. Thank you for your membership. Thank you. Thank you for your membership. Much appreciated. Welcome, Mistress Mamta Shorts and Blogs. Welcome. Thank you. Shukriya Namaste. Thank you to all new members here today. Thank you to Luz Top Info. Thank you, Luz Top Info. Thank you.
Can I be your superhero?
Shout out from the
Can I be
They
your
want hotel
superhero?
place near by New State, Karachi.
Fly away. It's the first time of today. Today. To dream, believe. You are the strength, you're all I need. Need. Oh, gonna give it a shot. Only one of me to shield you all from the enemy. You're a superhero.
All right, please support. Please support safe. Please support safe. Safe Karachi vlog. I have some very nice, beautiful rabbits. Yes, safe Karachi vlog. Your rabbits are multiplying, brother. Yes, brother, your rabbits are multiplying. Awesome, awesome. They're very playful. Your rabbits are very playful, brother. Very playful rabbits. Welcome, Rena Machali. Welcome, welcome, Miss Hot Mama. Coyote Elikoi. Thank you, Hot Mama. Coyote Elikoi. Termakasi Sayan. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, yes, happy. I love you too, doctor. Love you too. Yes, happy. Thank you, thank you. Okay, question. Mistress Manta Shorts and Blog says, why are you not coming live for so many days, brother? Everyone is waiting for you. Shukriya, Shukriya, thank you. Yes, I haven't been feeling well. Yes, I haven't been feeling that well. My yes, my thyroid and um, and the medications that I'm taking giving me some difficulties. Yeah, giving me some difficulties. Papa Winston, makan, 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 yummy. All right, I'm gonna support message skip, sir. Okay, let me see if I can find the message. Sergi, and mine appeal accepted from YouTube team. Both will be remain as YouTube partner. Awesome. Congratulations. 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 Awesome. Awesome. Congratulations, my son. Professor TSD Roxer. Congratulations. 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 Yes, Mistress Mamta. I am doing my best. I'm doing my best. Welcome, Hot Mama Eileen Cruz official from the Philippines. Welcome. Thank you. Thank you, my dear friend. RJ also got RJ also got same and both got over from problem to produce content. Awesome, 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 awesome. I don't know if I don't know if I will be so lucky. I don't know if I will be so lucky. I reapply. I reapply for monetization. So if you don't see me live streaming on that channel anymore, then you know that I terminate the channel. Okay, you know that I delete the channel. If you don't see any posting from that channel, then you know I delete the channel. Okay, please go and support Safe Karachi in Pakistan. Please support my brother. It's a short video, 4 minutes. Um, it's a short video about rabbits. Yes, these rabbit they are expanding. Yes, he's raising rabbits. Said Karachi in Pakistan. He's from Afghanistan, but he live in Pakistan. Welcome, my member, Chakata Blog, brother. Welcome, brother. Shukran, brother. Shukran. Welcome, someone's kitchen blog. Welcome, welcome, welcome. The reason why I'm gonna terminate the channel because that channel it is a very challenging channel, very challenging. In the sense of the contents that I create for that channel and the sensitivity of YouTube, it is very challenging. I, I read I read the do's and I read the don'ts, and I understand what they're asking for and what they want. But when I first responded to the issue at hand, when I first responded months ago, last year, last year October, when I responded. So it's a year. It's a year. Can you imagine a year? When I responded, I deleted over 100 videos. I deleted over 100 videos, and I made corrections on the channel. And it took me almost a year to build up the hours, the watch hours. With some help, yes, some help, but a lot of sacrifice and a lot of live streaming to gain the 4,000 watch hours. But I don't know what the outcome is going to be. So I'm not thinking negatively, but I'm just being cautiously optimistic. If I am unsuccessful, I will delete the channel. Yes. If I am unsuccessful, I will delete the channel. Yes. And try to work on the other one. And on the other one, if unsuccessful, also I will delete that channel. Thank you, Mamta. It is very challenging, Mamta. I work very hard, Mamta. Very hard to be creative. Very hard to be creative. And welcome, Life of Ria. Welcome. Oh, you're welcome. You're welcome, Life of Ria. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Please support the video. Please support the video of Safe Karachi. Please support this video. He's from Afghanistan, but he live in Pakistan. Please support this video. Okay, I am out of the channel at the moment.